The blue arrows indicate a full mouse movement and the orange arrows indicate a nudge. In this first configuration set, we do several left clicks. We also show a right click and then finally a double left click. If we want to go to the next configuration set, we do a nudge to the right. In configuration set 2, we scroll down, we scroll up, and we also do a left mouse click and hold to drag and drop. If we would like to return to the first configuration set, we do a nudge to the right again. Here we start from the default settings of the HID joystick, and then we import the settings from this video.